Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting Arsenal transfer story involving one of the club's brightest young stars, Myles Lewis-Skelly. The 19-year-old academy graduate has recently become a major talking point, with questions being raised about his long-term future at Arsenal. Lewis-Skelly enjoyed a fantastic breakthrough season in 2024-25. He quickly became one of the Premier League's most exciting young defenders, earned a place in the England squad, and even became the youngest player to score on his Three Lions debut. Arsenal rewarded him with a new 5-year contract. However, last season was more difficult for the youngster. He found himself behind players such as Ricardo Calafiri and Piero Hincapié in the competition for the left-back position. But there is now a reason for Arsenal fans to be excited. Lewis-Skelly impressed towards the end of last season after moving into central midfield, which is his natural position. He has also been one of Arsenal's standout players during pre-season and has started the Gunners' last 2 friendlies. With some midfielders returning late from the World Cup and new signing Bruno Guimaraes still adapting to Arsenal, Lewis-Skelly could have another opportunity to establish himself in Mikel Arteta's first team. Meanwhile, Manchester United and Chelsea have reportedly shown interest in the youngster. Manchester United need another left-back, while Chelsea already have several options in that position. However, Arsenal insist they have not actively offered Lewis-Skelly to other clubs. Most importantly, Lewis-Skelly wants to stay at Arsenal. He is focused on working hard, improving his game, and fighting for a regular place in Arteta's starting 11. At the moment, a move away from Arsenal does not appear to be imminent. But with the transfer window still open, his future is not completely certain. So what do you think? Should Arsenal keep Myles Lewis-Skelly and give him more opportunities in midfield, or should they consider a big money offer? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Arsenal and football news. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.